What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog. Today we're doing something for the Z to make it look cooler, or I think it will make it look cooler. We're gonna put like the LAMIN-X headlight protector or whatever. But before that, yeah, I'm gonna probably do a little bit of sanding on like a super high grit sandpaper, just to get rid of like the top layer that's like faded and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and then put it on. The LAMIN-X protective layer would act like basically like a PPF for your headlights in a way, and also so that the UV rays doesn't make it yellow for like the plastic itself. The tint will like protect it from that. So I think that's what it does. I think so, but yeah, it should look better afterwards. But I'm gonna do some sanding first, and yeah. So I just finished polishing, or sanding and polishing, and I feel it looks way better. So this one looks like this because I sprayed like water on it for the LAMIN-X, like this, so I can like adjust it. So now we'll see if I can do it right. Alright, so let's just do like this. So I just finished putting in the LAMIN-X. I don't know how long the video recorded before it got cut because my phone died. But here you go. Let me close the hood real quick. So there you go. Yeah, I think it has that race car look. Oh my gosh, actually, I love it. But yeah, a super quick install. I just had to polish mine and clean up mine. But if you don't have any like UV damage on your headlights, it should be just basically just cleaning it up and installing it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick video for this. I believe they have like a clear, so if you want just like basic protection, but they have yellow and then like a tint to it. I chose the yellow because I think it has that race car look. I'm updating my stickers. I did this. I'm gonna add a racing number, and then I'll add like a kind of like a livery in a way, just to add to its look and make it look good. So yeah. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe, turn on that bell icon so you get notified on my next videos. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.